Alright, just for fun today, I'm gonna fry up some boiled dumplings. I'm gonna show it to you. So, food to eat. A frying pot. Put the stove gauge on 6 high. If the pot is dry, add oil. Just allow that to get hot until you see a little smoke. Okay, these are the dumplings. Luckily, I cut it. It was like that already, and I cut that. So once you cut them all, just wash them off with some fresh water, because you take them out of the pot, they're gonna be a little, thick liquid is gonna be in. So rinse them off with some fresh water and then cut them like this. Just make one split in between like that. And you wanna get. So do them all. And it don't have to be perfect. You just wanna cut it, but take it from there. Because if you try to cut it from here, it's gonna break right here. So just cut them like that. Cut them like that. Alright. And just cut them. So after 1 minute, these are them. Just lay them in. Just allow that to fry on one side. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, just flip those. It's going to start caramelizing. Okay, you don't want to fry it too golden on the side because it's going to get hard. Once you take it out and it's cooled, the color is going to get gold, the color is going to get darker. Kind of use your fork and separate them so they don't be sticking. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, 2 minutes on each side, just remove these. And if you have more, because it's kind of wet, it's gonna splash a little. If you look at my hands, you can feel it. So prepare to get a little burn. The burn is going to stimulate you a little, but just be cautious. This is how it looks. We do this because it's just like a little snack. See? We'll just eat it with anything. Sausage, bologna, scrambled egg, saltfish, leftover chicken, curry chicken, leftover stew chicken, anything. Just eat it like a chip. That's my second batch. There it is. And you can also eat it alone, just by itself. Splash from me on camera. So fried boiled dumplings. That's the oil we just fried it in. Remember now, when you're frying the boiled dumplings, put the stove gauge on high 6. You do that because when it's fried on high, it won't absorb the oil. You'll get a better heat. It won't be greasy. Look, not that much grease, but little, but not that much. It won't be soaked with grease or oil.